My name is Troy Tuckett. I'm going to be your facilitator for this class. Welcome to PRG 211. Now, the title of this class says Algorithms and Logic for Computer Programming. What the heck does that mean? Well, it really means that you're going to learn how to create simple programs using a simple programming language. The language you're going to use is called Corel. Now, I've been teaching for about 20 years, and while a lot of things have changed technologically, the simple fact that many students struggle with logic and computers remains the same. Because of this, I'm going to post supplemental videos each week that will help to teach the principles you will be learning. I've noticed that students who spend time learning with these videos are more successful in the class, so I highly encourage you to spend some time with them. Now, under the Week 1 overview, there's a link that will lead you to more information about the Corel language. On this website, there's a tutorial, there's an intro video, and there's a simulator. The simulator is a place where you can write and run programs. And in the weekly programs that I post, I'll be using the simulator. But for you, for your reading, for your labs, and for your assignments, you'll be using the ZY or ZyBooks site. So, to kick off the week, let's walk through creating a simple program. Now, you're going to go through this material in your readings as well, but sometimes it helps to see something visually. So here we go. So here we are at the Corel Language Simulator. If you remember from earlier, I said that on this Corel Language site, there's a tutorial, there's an introduction video, and there's this simulator. There's also the detailed specifications for the language if you're interested in going through that. But within this simulator, I can write a simple program. And over here on the right, I've written out the requirements for a simple program. They are to create a program that displays, hello, my name is, and then display your name. So this is about the simplest program you can write in any language. Within the Corel language, we use the keyword put, which kind of means to display. So we would say put, now notice the P in put is uppercase, that's important. And then in double quotes, we're going to say, hello, comma, my name is Troy. And make sure you end the double quotes. And then in Corel, you're going to say to output. That tells it where to put the information. That is our program. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? All right, so what we're going to do to run it is we're going to enter execution. When we enter execution, it went and checked the syntax of my code to make sure it was right. We're going to step, which puts us right at the first line, and then we're going to run. Now, right here it says execution speed. I'm going to just make it really slow just so you can kind of see it, but there's not much to do here. It's thinking about it, and then it displays it right here in this output section. Hello, my name is Troy. And really, that's it. You're going to have to, as you go through and start programming and start going through the labs, there's a couple things that you should know. First of all, it's really important that if you're using put, that you use an uppercase P. If you're using get next input, that's the way you get input from the input section over here, you have to use an uppercase G. That's really important. When you start to create variables, it's really important that you don't put a space in them and that you use the same exact way that you spelled it throughout your program. So if you use something like my number, I'll just add that here. I'm going to exit execution, puts me back here. All right. If I was to create a variable, my number, you have to make sure that you use the same exact name for your variable, including upper and lower case. I hope that helps. Those are some of the initial things that students are going to struggle with. So take some time and just poke around. You know, the worst thing that can happen is it could tell you that your syntax is wrong, and it'll give you some help on how to know how to fix it. So good luck.